How about your corporate culture, man? I see a lot of pics thrown around on Facebook and on your website and stuff like that. Like you looks like you're really building a like a happy family, like a happy team.
Yeah. So that's where a lot of our focus is going right now, because we've got insurance flowing, we've got retail coming in. Now it's like, okay, how do we duplicate ourselves? So we're actually part of a community of roofers that Raymond Little is involved in. He's kind of the one who I think made it explode, where it's popping up on everybody's feeds. But we got in on that, and there's just been so much valuable information just over the last 2 weeks that we've really gathered in from that have helped us navigate how do you duplicate yourself and build your team. What are the things that you absolutely have to be doing? Main thing is lead from the front, and so we've been working it out. Another good thing about having a partnership is one of us runs appointments all day long and the other one is training these guys up. For the most part, we have a university that they attend. It's like crash courses them on roofing knowledge. If they have none, they have enough to be able to go out and create opportunities. We have a ladder system too. So we're not letting anybody come in, put a t-shirt on and start climbing roofs, because you're not about to get put on Facebook tearing up shingles because you're trying to get some money and ruin our reputation, right? So you have to earn our trust is the number one thing. Get out, show us that you're capable of getting in front of people. You're capable of setting appointments. Let us come in from there. You'll make your commission, Do that for 90 days. We kind of evaluate after 90 days, see, okay, how many appointments have you set? If you hit our set number of appointments within that 90 days and you've showed consistency and effort, we'll bump you up a little bit. And then we start training you more about just roofing knowledge and the insurance process. And then shortly after that, they'll be shadowing us or I guess we would be shadowing them, where they're working the entire process all the way through, and we're kind of just there to critique them. We're there to let them fail. We're there to build them up when they do good. We're there to correct it when they do wrong. And then, once you've worked about five claims all the way through, that's like your final evaluation, where it's like, okay, now you're bumped up to sales rep, because after 90 days and then however long that other window takes, we ought to know you pretty good. You've been around long enough for us to know, can we trust you or do we need to part ways with you? So it's definitely setting the standard. We're not out here trying to make money illegally. We're offering legitimate services, and not every homeowner is going to be your homeowner. Not every door is going to be money for you. So setting them up for success, setting this up for the long game.
I love it, man. I love what you're building. Like, talk about that a little bit, the long game. Like, you're at, this point right now, this initial phase. I mean, like, next year, 3 years, 5 years, like, where do you guys see this headed?
Absolutely, yeah. I mean, we just want to build the team, man, make it to where it starts being a little more self-sustainable. If we both stepped away for 2 weeks, we wouldn't have a company when we come back, and that's something we want to fix. Get everybody in the positions they need to be in, where it runs and it flows by itself. Of course, we want to be involved. That we love this, and it's a blessing to do it. But of course, we want it to be able to sustain itself. Putting all those people in the positions they need to be in, and letting it, flow for a little while. And just growing the team in general.
I love it, man. I love it.
I'd say to be successful in sales, you have to have some kind of leadership mentality, right? You can't be the guy who just sits back and waits for someone else to take the initiative. You have to go out and create opportunities. So I'd say in the next 3 years, we're looking to double or triple what we did year one, which we're on track to double this year. But we're not just hiring canvassers, we're building future leaders. We want everybody to work their way up that ladder. We don't want anybody to stay down here too long. As a matter of fact, if you stay down there for too long, you're just not going to work out. The point of the ladder is to get these people to points where in their life they feel like they're in control of their financial situation, that they have that freedom, but they're still eager and hungry, and they're actually being able to build something for themselves.